Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to try an experiment. It's going to be a really brief video. I'm not making a big meal with sides and sauces. I want to try something. We had a vendor at the restaurant bring us a panko with pork rinds in it, or chicharrones, as you will. And we tried it. It worked okay on some pork, and I thought how much better this would be on fish. And it was so expensive, so I got a piece of frozen cod here that's been thawed, and I'm going to put, it doesn't smell like anything like it's supposed to. I'm gonna spray this real quick. Goes here. All right, for this one, this little project that I have today, I'm going to use rendered pork bacon fat, which probably by itself would be enough to make this taste great. No other seasoning, no other salt. We're gonna go for just to see how this works out. You'll see that's about a tablespoon. And then this is the regular pork rinds you buy in a bag. You buy them anywhere. I bought these at Sam's, of course, but and then I'm just gonna put these in here like this. Press it down a little. Just try to get a thin coat of pork rinds on here. I used to do this in the restaurant with pecan, with panko, and so I know this technique works. I just have never tried it with this. I just ground these up with an immersion blender I did a review on just a second ago. Now one thing you gotta know is I probably didn't have to use the bacon fat. These are so greasy to start with. It would have stuck on there without there. And I'm using the Ninja combi oven, which I have already preheated to 375. And we're gonna cook it in here until it has an internal temperature of 135 degrees steady. And then we're gonna give it a try. So let's see. This is gonna go from here, shake, 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 to right here. Well, it's been about 10 minutes. I was on bake the whole time at 375 until the very last minute and a half. And once it temped about 130 internal with an instant read thermometer, I went ahead and turned it on broil to kind of finish it off. And this is what we got. Look at that, it's done perfectly. Didn't overcook it at all. It didn't burn. I was afraid it might get too burny, but it didn't. We're gonna put this on a plate. I don't know if you can see this or not, but that is one fine looking piece of fish. It's not crusty, but it is, does smell amazing. It's nice and flaky, and the crust is very tasty. I keep tasting this and she's not gonna get any. Well, chicharron encrusted codfish is pretty good. Imagine what this was like on a red snapper. I like this technique, I plan on using it. You should too. Thank you for watching. Oh gosh, come here and try this.